Case, divert, and merge conveyor system with traffic cop assist by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently designed this conveyor system to transport cases single file from a case erector bag inserter, then divert to 4 filling stations with traffic clamp assist, and merge back into single file again. Cases are received onto a 28-foot-long ARB conveyor with pneumatically actuated rack and roll positioned under the belt at 3 divert locations. The ARB diverts onto multi-strand plastic belt transfer conveyors for delivery to a side-flexing tabletop conveyor feeding the fill area. Cases going to the 4th filling station will transfer over the end of the ARB belt. The filling station sections consist of dual 4-inch wide modular plastic belts with 2 pneumatic side clamps and 2 pneumatic vertical stops for positioning of 2 cases at a time at the customer's pant-leg chute, not shown. Clamps provide maximum stabilization during the filling process. Filled cases exit onto LBP roller top belting for low pressure accumulation associated with the merge areas. 3 manual traffic cops are included for FIFO, first in, first out, merge of the 4 lanes of filled cases back to single flow. If cases arrive at the traffic cop simultaneously, 1 lane is allowed through while the other lane is locked out until the cases pass. Then the second lane is freed, providing a seamless collision-free merge. Post-traffic cop, cases end transfer through multi-strand plastic belt spur sections, merging onto the final conveyor, sending cases to the customer's downstream equipment. Conveyors are stainless steel construction for plant moisture purposes with optional, more cost-effective, painted steel construction offered in non-environmental related conveyor locations. See even more divert and merge conveyor videos by visiting our website at www.multi-conveyor.com. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. Let's discuss how Multi-Conveyor can optimize your conveyor lines. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best, conveyed better.